What if your sales report could look like this: color coded progress bar, donut KPIs, even an animated dashboard gauge, all target versus actual, all built with SVG and simple DAX measure. No paid visual. This is part 2. Let's get started. Welcome back to Data with Pankaj. In part 1, we learned what SVG is and we built status bill. If you have not seen part 1, I will make sure that link is in the description so you can grab that and watch that particular part. So today in part 2, we'll go bigger. So we will turn target and actual numbers into beautiful colorful visuals. First, what we need for today: one, Power BI desktop; second, little bit DAX knowledge like variable switch sum function is required; and third, we have to make sure that once we created an SVG measure, that we have to mark as a image URL. I am using sales data set. Each sales representative has target and an actual number. We compare them. Actual divided by target give us an attainment percent. And we use three simple color: green when they hit the target, amber when they are close, red when they are behind the target. Now we'll start with the progress bar. So how I have created this different version of progress bar. So here you can see I have added sales representative, then region, target, and actual. So based on target and actual, this progress bar different version is created. Okay. So we have different slicer of year, region, segment, and product line. So I will explain each measure one by one. Okay. And here is the legend. Okay. So what is the criteria to show in a green, amber, and red? So I will just click on this progress bar and we have the different measures. Okay. Progress bar SVG. Now if you go here, this is our simple progress bar SVG. Okay. Here we are not showing any animation. Just we are showing the bar like out of the target how much we have achieved. Okay. If we are going above the target, then it will be in green. If we are between 85 to 99%, it will be in amber. And if we are below 85%, then it will be in a red. Okay. These are the three condition is applied here. Let's dig into DAX. Again here you need to just create one variation, then other will be just you have to make some changes in the animation, then time, like that. Okay. So here you can see progress bar SVG. So we have looping our actual and target columns here, and we are calculating the percentage achieved by dividing actual and target. And for SVG, so we are calculating the minimum maximum percentage, and color logic is simple. Okay. So whenever we are greater than 100, then that should be into green; less than 85, then that should be into red, and in between we should have the amber. Okay. And here is the simple SVG we are using. Okay. Here we are defining the SVG position, SVG size. Even you want to change anything, then you can just change the color, size. That's it. Okay. And in top of that, at the end we are showing the percentage achieved. You can see 93, 92, 96, 104. Okay. That number is shown there. So nothing complicated. Okay. Again, if you go to the second version progress bar with animation, so here you can see bar is continuously animating. So if I go here, the second version is progress bar animated. Okay. So this is the second version. Again, we have used the same DAX logic from first one. It is just that here we have mentioned the animation. Okay. Here you can see I am mentioning the duration like 8 seconds. Okay. And whenever we have that particular time is included in our DAX logic, then it will be animated for that particular period. Again, these are the size of SVG. Okay. Here you can say repeat is equal to infinite. Okay. So here this particular animation will be for infinite period. There is no any end. Okay. So this will be continuously animating. Now in the third version, you can see instead of blinking that bar itself, it is flowing from your left to right. Okay. You can see continuously it is animating from left to right. Okay. Like flow is there. So if I just go to that particular measure, that should be loop. Okay. So this is the measure. Same, okay. It is just that we are defining that the animation should be as per the loop, okay. Even you are confused, you can ask to any AI, okay. Let's say if I am just considering this measure, I will just copy paste and ask to chat GPT, can you explain or can you add detailed comment. Okay, so it will add detailed comment and you can make a changes anytime as per your requirement, okay. So here you can see it is adding in detail comment what exactly going behind the scenes, okay. And in any time if you want to make any changes, you can do that, okay. If I just copy paste here, you can see we have detailed comment now, okay. Percentage text, okay, and position of the text, move x value, bar width is changes, okay. These are all dynamic value. So this is how you can add the comment and that will be helpful for make a changes at any time, okay. And now we have one more version of bar, okay. So that is you can see some boxes are there and that is showing the percentage achieved by animation from left to right by filling different boxes, okay. Small rectangle are there, those are filling from left to right. So if I just open that measure, okay, this is the measure, okay. Again, same, okay. It is just that we are dividing that particular bar into different rectangle, okay. That is the only changes we are doing, and it is flowing from left to right. What percentage we have achieved? This is how you can create different variation of bar using SVG, okay, like animated, then just showing the different color, different animation effect, okay. And it is fully responsive to your slicer, okay. If I am selecting any year, any region, different segment, you can see the data will be filtered and it will show for selected value, okay. So this is the simple variation. Okay, I have created another version with a donut. Here you can see we have different variation of the donut, and again we have using the same logic for the color, okay. If above 100 or equal to 100, then green, then 85 to 99 amber, and below 85 we should have the red color, okay. Same logic is used, okay. On middle we are able to see the percentage and the color will vary as per the logic. Here you can see green is there, then amber is there, and for 85 we have red, okay. So these are the condition. In first version it is just plain circle, okay. Under that we have percentage. In second it is animating, okay. It is flowing from top to bottom continuously, okay. Same logic is there. If you just open any one measure, so instead of progress bar, I have utilized the donut. Okay, that is the only changes. Donut and you can say the Go chart is utilized. Okay, if I just select the KPI classic, okay, here just changing in the bar. So we have mentioned the circle position, then radius, and all the way. Okay, this is how you can create for donut. Again, another variation of donut. Then this is Go chart. Okay, it is showing percentage achieve. Okay, it is not animating like third variation, but if you go to the fourth variation, you can see this Go chart, it is continuously animating from left to right. And last version I have created using dot, okay. So if you go to the bar, so we have rectangular here. In the donut I have created using dot, okay. That is the only changes I did in this particular uh, like phase, okay, for donut. So there are different shapes and we can utilize under SVG as per your requirement, as per the use cases, okay. But this is very handy when you want to show some performance between target and actual numbers, and this will actually create a very good look to your report or table visual, okay, in terms of UIX, and also convey the information very easily, okay. With a native, like we have to do some conditional formatting in a background or font, okay, but we cannot do any animation, okay. But with using SVG we can do that with a very simple possible way. So one thing you need to keep in mind whenever you have created any SVG major, let's say if I go to any major, that is data category is image URL. If you are not formatting that as image URL, it will not show any SVG in your visual. So everything like data set, this PBX, I will make sure that is available in video description so you can access it. Maybe you can customize as per your project, as per your different needs. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.